Hey y'all, I'm Vanessa. Today we are doing a tutorial and review on the Profusion Siennas palette. And this is what this beauty looks like. I'm trying to show you the colors. There's a lot of glare there. It's just a beautiful, totally lost my train of thought, but it's just a beautiful, super warm tone palette. And my Target has never carried Profusion. I've tried and I've looked and I've went and they've never had it. So I went into Walmart the other day and they had this, a blush palette and lip palettes. So 100% I picked them up. This was $10, you guys, $10. You will see how it performs. I'm wearing it right now. So I'm gonna hush, I'm too excited. So let's just go ahead and get into this. Okay, so we are first going in with Oasis first, and then Fearless, and then Madly right here. And I'm telling you, this shade Madly right here is absolutely stunning. Like, I bring a whole lot more into it than I normally would because I love it. So I already have a primer down, and to be honest with this palette, I've used it both ways. I like it better with just like concealer and powder on my eyes. I think it works a little bit better without the primer. It just blends easier. I mean, it still works beautifully with a primer, but I think it just blends a little bit better without one. So we're putting that in our upper crease, but I am really blending this shade high. Like really high. Like almost to my brow bone high. Or not my brow bone, almost to my eyebrow. It would be so great if I could talk. Really helps out a lot when I, tell you guys the right words when explaining things. And then, like I said, going in with Fearless. And gently kind of depositing that. And like I've told you in my last few videos, that right there is not the eyeshadow. That is my wonderful eye. Wonderful, wonderful eye. Alright, then we're going in with Madly, which is this beautiful, beautiful, like, it's like a deep rusty reddish orangey color. It is stunning. And I'm blending this kind of right over top of the other shade that we just put down, just because I like it so much. Like, do you guys see that color? Like, yes. And I'm going to go back in with Oasis, which is our first shade. And just blending everything out one more time. And then I'm going to take an itty bitty brush and go in with Polite, which is the kind of white cream shade here. And just put that all through there and just kind of blend. And then we're going to go in with this one here all over the lid. And I'm just taking that on my finger. And then just swiping it on. Nothing too complicated there. Okay, and this is it. I'm going to go ahead and do the face, and I'll be right back. I'm sorry if I look a little bit washed out. It just got really dark and really cloudy and really rainy. So we're just gonna overlook that. Face is all done. I just need to work on this lower lash line. And we're gonna go in with that beautiful, beautiful Madly shade. And run that right underneath the lower lash line. with a pencil brush. Like, look how pigmented that is, you guys. Like, wow. And then I'm going to grab a little bit of the Fearless shade and run that right underneath. Let me see. I think I'm going to take a little bit of these two shades for our inner corner highlight. Okay, so we're just going to stick those right on our inner corner. Looks very, very pretty. And I'm actually going to pull it down on my lower lash line just a smidge, just to brighten everything up a bit. I used Yall and Talia Girl Boss lashes, and they're absolutely stunning, beautiful. Like, I'm definitely gonna stock up. And I need to throw a little bit of mascara on my lower lashes. I forget that a lot of the time in my videos. So sorry, guys. Let me toss some on. And I used It Cosmetics Superhero Liner for my wing. And Desi and Katie, my main. Yeah. For my lips. And this is it. I think it looks super duper pretty. I hope you guys like it. And would I recommend this $10 palette? 100% yes. This isn't my first time using this. I love this palette. I love the shades in this palette. I love warm tones. I will always love warm tones. So I love these shades. This packaging isn't the greatest, but it's a $10 palette and you are getting great quality. A couple of the shimmer or metallic shades, they're not the greatest, but you can work with them. But the mattes in this palette are great quality. They're a little bit dusty. Let me show you. Well, you can't really see it. They are a little, not dusty. They have a little bit of kickback. Like when you tap your brush in, there's a little bit of kick up, but I've not had any fallout from them. I highly, highly recommend this palette, you guys. I don't know about any of the others. This is the only one I've tried, but I definitely recommend the Siennas palette. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.